kanuniza umurebo wa Kera Media News Center turiyotsa kumarira turiyotsa kureba mukuru Rob Rose ya ruga stage kuka arumu ebirene bitrendinga nibikamba Rob Rose ngo bandije twatira muzike Rob Rose storage.
Yes bro,
twatira muzike unamasema
of course not all DJs, of course people have their interest and motoka posting akunda echo kukunda nenge cyo gukora. You do what you do and abachikunda ojena nawe because bachimba kusitihare bindi. Yeah,
abacho inetaro na ba DJ ba promoter ba MC.
That's a mistake. Nyothi nyina buzuna muna DJ wena ninga muntu wena ninga promoter ni wena. I have individual differences with some other few DJs just like other artists because this, like now what is happening here chitule chitaro made in Mbara erijo ya horwa arbato yatekateka music ya ankore ungata band ba DJ ni bachira achiza neti takateka kusachinga something from ankore na searching Nigeria, searching Uganda, searching what is outside the world but not from where he is standing. But if all of us could wake up in the morning and think of where we are standing, because you can only make where you are standing better before you think about changing America or changing Nigeria. So that's my worry. That's why I always shout with DJs about bakazangai bakabirizinga ngocha sirukuru bakazaja heru. Yeah.
Aroka vile kakutambara obeno yombana na DJ or sometimes
No, I was at the lounge and was talking with DJ Alpha. Someone who was in the bar after I'm shouting with him because the music and I was there for almost 7 hours in the bar. So recording translating but it was never shouting. But I was in the bar and they did play my end of my songs. What I feel in shouting because the music which is true. I was in the bar for 7 hours and they didn't play any of my songs. But I was okay with it because I know today they would play it here. Next day I would go to another band, they played. Today wasn't bakakwanga ninga bakakura anko story. Just look for another place. They will look at you as someone who is big. Made in Mbara is a good venture. I would wish every Munyankore who is saying we have been denied chance. Ajijemu kind of giving in the best of himself. Right now, I believe people faces like Ray G, faces like maybe Ray G or Charles others might not come because both are affected. I would want to find here Omega. I would want to find here Truth 256, but I believe they won't come here because for them, but they were very affected by what was happening. But if they all come and we be together, maybe this audience will be big. I want to be celebrating our music and our art at large.
Okay,
so I'm telling you guys, every Monday, yes, I will continue to basa oije aha Sante Banmo wajire abanyankore ore music yankore ba DJ zabandi na ba DJ Starcent na ba DJ Tono Muchamu na ba DJ Stabon na ba DJ abandi bije because Monday is a day where most of us are not working, so let them come and listen to music. Promoters and sponsors, you come and see us singing. You never know, you might be attached to Jiloto Mundoka Mdeka Musende Ajira Yaika. First of all, what's in Uganda, the management. I want to invest in music in Wachemlonga and Mulimbara because they have nowhere to see us. Omana Shongoro, I found a video, I found a Zuare, I found because so I wish this chance could be given to everyone. And then those promoters, sponsors, rich people. I've seen here Uncle B, Mr. Badia. He's very happy with our performances. Maybe someone like Miles Ningondijo was a chance, but I'm taking but because we have been lacking this chance, now it is here. We can use it, we can embrace it and feeling because nothing believing Onkenza is the best singer in Uganda. Mungai has been nominated as for Grammy Awards. I don't believe he's the best. Actually, if they put a meet people here and Kenza would choose people. if they put here Ray G and Keza would choose Ray G.
Okuba mweta Rob Rose kandi sukango ni bya ekigambo cyagamba njo sokwano cyuru kisakuruje munonga ukayi sukango takayebwa ebero 25 akanda aho invest in sakwatu neyo abebenyanyanya kandi na nasona ben na abana bakuru kureka ugasukwana bajono miso na no kubana bakwasaganya embera kuruje munonga izukango kandi umurebo wa KR Media News Center jono miso kurekano subscribing or liking kandi sukango kuteka musente tunaba international Jonas kandi sukango aba Jonas International Schools and Area Science ni basukwana bajono miso kurekano notora mwana wawe abasukwana iga ebyo busaho barebeke gwaje no miso no kurekano ukwasaganya kuruje munonga kandi utakarugaho cyonje no miso cyoga tukoreka Rob Rose zoka tumayongera kandi akora tugambera na video kare yacuyize ya jeje siaka twasukanje rusuko katukwasaganya paraporo utakarugaho webara munonga